Hello everyone, this is the 13th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can show the accepted job application and rejected job application separately. Okay, so here you can see these kind of things we will perform in this video. Whenever I am just clicking on here you can see I already log into my company module, and whenever I am clicking on a candidate application I will see all kind of candidate application. But if I update this job application status, for example accepted or rejected, that application will be removed from here and that will be no more showing here. Okay, except that it will showing on a accepted application in or rejected application. So this kind of things we will perform in this video. So if the new application come from any kind of freelancer, it will show on this kind of interface. But if I perform the particular action of update status, it will go to the either accepted application or rejected application. That will be depends upon the company choice. Okay, so these kind of things we will perform in this video. Here you can see in our previous video we will discuss about how we can update our job status. Okay, and that previous video, in 28th video, we discussed about show jobs and project application on a company model. So these kind of things we fix in our 28th video. So let's start this video. So here you can see I just already log into my company account, and whenever I'm just clicking on a candidate application, the candidate application is showing here. Now we have to fix one thing is here. Whenever I'm just clicking on an accept button and click on a update status, this application is removed from here and that will come on an accepted application. Similar like things, if we click on a rejected and click on a update status, it will remove from here and it will come on a rejected application. So this kind of things we have to perform in this video. I will show you how you can see the accepted application, how you can show your accepted application on this kind of particular page. You have to perform the similar concept in our rejected application. I will explain you how you can do that. Okay, so first thing we have to do here, we have to load that particular page. So on that page we can easily show that accepted application. So for that, here you can see you have to come to a drive and HTML files pages, and here you can see accepted job application. Click on that and click on a download. Okay, till that we have to come to our company controller, and here we have to write that method so we can load that particular page here. Also we have to write here as a public string accepted job project application, then curly braces. Above of that we have to write the request mapping. In that I have to write accepted job project application. We have to copy this mapping from here and return on similar kind of page. Okay, so whenever someone call accepted job project application, it will redirect on this page. So for that we have to create page on our pages folder. So click on that, new, other, JSP, click on that and paste this name here. So click on a finish. Here you can see the page is successfully created here. Now we check our page is downloaded or not. We have to come to our folder. Here you can see accepted job application. Open that in a VS Code. We have to copy this entire code from here. Just copy. We have to come to our accepted job application, remove and paste here. Now for show this particular page, we have to simply remove this for each loop from here so we can see the interface of that particular page. Okay, so I just quickly remove that for each loop from here, from a job application as well as a project application also. So this is for a project, I just remove it. And for load this particular page, you have to come to our view candidate application.jsp. Here you can see, and you can clearly see here the accepted job application and rejected application button. Now we have to paste our original mapping here, that is the, and I have to one more time I have to copy this mapping from here and paste here. Okay, paste here. Here you can see accepted job project application. I just pasted my mapping here, and now see this page is loading or not. Before that, if this page is not getting any kind of path from here, so I just pass my project name here. Here you can see project Spring MVC Java 1. So I just simply copy this project name from here and pass the before of our mapping. So here you can see project Spring MVC Java 1 slash accepted job and project application. Now see it is loading or not. So for that we have to come to our application and we have to refresh this particular page from here. Now click on a accepted application, click on that, and here you can see this page is successfully loaded. That is accepted candidate application, accepted job application, and this is the accepted project application. We have to simply check, we have to copy this application from here and we have to paste this thing on a project also. So here you can see where is that accepted project, accepted project application. So we have to come to our accepted project and job application, click on a refresh, and here you can see accepted project application, accepted job application. Now for showing that particular data on this kind of page, we have to need the something related that from a company. So for showing that data we need the company name or we need the company email, but in our job case we don't have a company email, so we will work on a company name. So for showing the company name with this mapping on accepted application, we have to pass this particular name with that mapping. Okay, so here you can see, here we have to pass that particular thing to show company data. So for that you have to come to our company controller, and in our profile section we pass two lines of code. That lines of code has all kind of company data. Here you can see these two lines has all kind of company data. So we have to pass this mapping into view candidate application mapping. Here you can see in this mapping you have to pass these two things so we can easily show that particular data. So here you can see I just write here this kind of thing here, and here we can now easily get that particular thing. So for that I have to write here as a HTTP session h1. Okay, I just write here, and now we only need the one thing, that is the company key. I just copy this company key from here and come to the view candidate application, and here we just need to add the for each loop. So here you can see this is the accepted and rejected application. Above of that we have to write here for each loop still colon for each in that items equal to double colon dollar sign, then curly braces, then where is equal to ef. We have to close this for each loop at the bottom of our div, copy and paste here. Now we have to show that particular name here for the company, so slash, then dollar sign, then a curly braces, then ef dot name. Okay, similar kind of things we will pass in our rejected application also. So I just copy and I just paste here. Okay, now check it out, our company name is coming here or not. So for that I have to refresh this page from here, and I think our session got expired. I have to again log into my company account, so I just log in it. Here you can see I log into my company account and click on a candidate application. Here you can see candidate application is coming here. Now click on accepted application, and here you can see the left bottom side accepted job project application slash Wipro technology. Similar thing, view candidate application, rejected application slash Wipro technology. So our company name is successfully come here. Now we can easily show that data with the help of that particular company name. So for that we have to write that particular mapping so we can get this all data and we can show this data. So we have to come to our accepted job project application mapping. Here you can see this one is the mapping in our company controller. I have to come to the bottom side, and this is the mapping, and here we have to take this variable that come with our this mapping. So before that we have to come here request mapping slash uh, curly braces, we have to pass here as a name. Okay, then here I have to write path variable, then string, then c name. I have to write here also c name. Then I have to declare here that method, that is pd, which is project doc, get accepted job application data, and in that I have to pass the cname, which is company name, cname. Here you can see now I have to call this method from our project doc. Click on that, create method in a project doc, click on that. Here you can see the method is successfully created here. Now showing that particular thing, here we have to change the return type, that is the list. and in that we have to pass our class name, that is the apply job, and we have to write the query here. So now we have to write here query, that is the return t1 dot query, that is the, you can write here select query, so select star from apply job where c name equal to single colon double colon plus plus c name and status equal to single colon accepted. Then here I have to write new row mapper. In that row mapper I have to pass my class name, that is apply job, then brackets, then curly braces, then semicolon, then we have to click on middle of the curly braces, click on enter. Here you can see add the unimplemented method, and here now we have to simply set and get values. So in our previous query we set all kind of values from here, so we have to copy that value from here. So here you can see this kind of similar value we have to show there, so I just copy this entire thing from here and I just paste this thing on this query. Okay, I just need to one thing return from here, that is the a1, because a1 has all kind of value. And now all things related in our project now is now completed. We have to come to a controller and we have to get this entire thing into one list. So apply job, I have to write accepted job application data is equal to this entire thing, and with the help of model map now we can easily show that data on that particular page, comma model map mm, and model map has one method, that is add attribute. So add attribute, in that we have to pass the key and value, so value is automatically coming here, we have to pass the key. So before that I have to write the key, that is the job application data. I have to simply copy this key from here. Before that I have to mention a semicolon, and now check it is showing here or not. So we have to come to the accepted job application, and now with the help of for each loop we can easily show the job application data. So here you can see accepted job application, and in that tr we have to write here the for each loop. So simple is that c colon for each, in that I have to write items equal to double colon dollar sign, we have to pass our key, then where is equal to our value, that is the e, and we have to close this for each loop below of our tr. So here you can see this one is our tr, and below of that we have to close this for each loop here. So now by the help of e now we can easily show that value. So first thing we have to show here, that is candidate name. So in our case that is f name, then candidate email, that is f email, then position is as it is, then c name which is company name, and c email. In our case we don't have a company email, so I just simply remove this td from here. Similar like on things, I just remove the th which is table heading from here. And last thing we have to do, e dot status is as it is. Just check now our data is coming here or not. So for that I have to rerun my project. Here you can see in the .jsp run on server tomcat next. Here you can see my application successfully coming here. So I just remove my previous application. I just need to log into my company account. Here you can say I just log into my company account, click on a candidate application, and whenever we are clicking on an accepted application, here you can say accepted application, click on that. Here you can see the Wipro technology, click on that. We didn't getting that particular data on here. What is the problem? In that we have to check our query. If we apply here the like query, let's see it is working or not. So where c name um, like query, and I have to write here this percentage sign, and I check it is coming or not. I just come to my Chrome, refresh this page, again refresh one more time, and now here you can see our data is coming here, that is the application name, applicant name Gaurav Patil, gaurupati@youtube@gmail.com, job profile, company name, and status is accepted. Now our data is successfully coming here. Now similar kind of things we have to perform to our accepted project application. So for that, showing that particular data, we have to perform similar kind of things. That is the, we have to come to our controller. Here you can see, and we have to simply declare here one method. So I just comment here, that is the job application data, and now we are working for a company project application data. So I just writing commit project application data. Now we have to declare here method. With the help of that method, we can easily call out our all project applications. So pd dot get get uh, accepted project application. We have to pass that cname here. We have to write a semicolon, click on a get project application, hover on that particular method, then create method in the project DAO. Here you can see we have to change the return type here, that is the list, apply project. Okay, then we have to write here query, that is the return t1 dot query, then select star from apply project, where c name or name, I have to check my database, where is the our apply project. We went all rows. We have to check the company name column. Here you can see where is that c name. Okay, as it is c name, like single colon, double colon, plus plus c name. Before of our double colon, we have to pass our dollar percentage sign, because this is the like query sign. Then new row mapper. In that row mapper, we have to pass our class, and that is apply project. Then brackets, then curly braces, then semicolon. Then we have to click on enter. We have to add the unimplemented method. Now we have to set and get this value from here. So we already set and get value here. Here you can see this one is the apply project, and here is the value. So we have to copy these values from here, and we have to paste this value here. Now we have to simply return the A1 from here, because A1 has all kind of data. Now we have to come to our company controller. We have to take this entire thing into one list. That list call name call as a apply project. So accepted project applications data is equal to this entire thing, because this has all kind of company data details. Now with the help of model map, we can easily show that value on there. So dot add attribute. Here you can see accepted project application value is automatically coming here. Now we have to pass here the key, that is the project application. Now we need only one thing, that is the key. Copy that key from here. Now we have to come to the accepted job and project application. Here you can see I already shown here the job application data. Now we have to show the company data. So above our tr, we have to write a c colon for each, then items equal to double colon dollar sign. In that we have to pass our key, then where is equal to our ef name, where is equal to ef. Then we have to close this entire thing. We have to close this for each loop below of our tr. Here you can see, now with the help of our where, we can now easily show that particular value. Okay, so item c, okay, c is small, and below we have to also mention a c small. Okay, now all thing is perfect. Now with the help of ef, we can easily show the value. So ef candidate name, in our case that is the f name, then freelancer email, so f email, then project name, that is the project tt, maybe project tt, project t, then project company, so in our case that is c name, and status is as it is. We have to check the value one more time. Project it is C name, C email, F name, which is freelancer name, freelancer email. Okay, status is as it is. Now let's check it out. Now our status is coming here, or our data is coming here or not. So for that we have to come to our project. We have to refresh this page from here, and here you can see accepted project application is coming here. But one thing is we forget, that is the we have to only show here the accepted application. So for that we have to come to our query one more time. We have to add here, that is the one thing, that is and status is equal to single colon accepted. Similar like things we have to copy that from here, accepted, and paste here and click on a refresh. And here you can see now data is successfully removed from here, because we don't have a accepted project application data that related with the Wipro technology. Here you can see this one is fraud rejected. So if I just reject that project application from here and click on accepted, update status updated successfully, we have to now come to our accepted application, and now here you can see the project application now successfully showing here. So for showing here only the sended application, which means current application. So for that we have to modify that query here also, that is the, so here you can see get application data. We have to do here one thing, that is the we have to give here the one condition, that is the and status single colon status is equal to single colon send. Okay, we have to check the spelling here, that is SEND. Okay, this is all right. We have to copy this entire thing from here, status equal to send, and we have to paste a similar thing on here. Now we have to check this is working or not. So we have to come to on our project. Here you can see, click on a refresh. So here you can see the job application is not showing here, which means is that our task is successfully working. If we click on an accepted application, here you can see accepted application is showing here, but that application is not showing here. The only sended status job application will be shown here. So for your example, I just log into my freelancer account from here, and just send the one job application on Wipro technology, and let's check it out now it is showing or not. Here you can see I just log into my freelancer account, explore jobs, and if we apply for a Wipro technology job, view and apply now, choose resume from here. I just choose any kind of file from here, open, click on a submit. Application is successfully sended. Now that application we have to show here. So for the refresh this page, and here you can see this application is now showing here, that is the this my name, and the application status is same. But if the moment I click on accepted, click on update status, it will successfully remove from here, and I just click on a refresh page one more time. Here you can see job application is removed from here, and if I click on accepted application, here you can see now our application is coming here. Okay, so our task is now successfully completed. That is how we can show the accepted application, how we can show the latest application here. Now one thing we have to do, we have to show our rejected application. So process is a similar like our accepted job application. Okay, it is as it is similar. So I just perform the task. I just pause this video and I will explain you how I done this process. Okay, so I just pause this video.
5 hours later.
So now here you can see I just already log into my company module, and I just already done all process that require for showing the rejected project as well as the job application. So here you can see I just click on a candidate application. I just recently apply for a one project, that is the automated inventory management system. Okay, one project is already accepted, but for showing our rejected project here we have to again click on update status and click on a reject. And if you check it out the rejected application, there is only one rejected job application and there is a no project application. So click on rejected and click on update status. Here you can see project status is updated. Now we have to check it out our candidate application section. In that application section we have to check it out rejected application, that our rejected application is showing or not. So click on that, and now here you can see Gaurav Patil, this one, and status is rejected, which means is that our task is successfully working. So
खत्म
So I just show you and I just discuss you how I done this all process. So first thing we have to do, we have to come to view all candidate application. Here you can see similar kind of mapping. I just pass it, that is rejected job project application. With that I have to pass my company name, and before of that I have to pass my project name. Then I have to come to my company controller. Here you can see this all mapping is for rejected application. So show rejected job and project application. Here you can see this is the method for showing the job application data, and this is the process for showing our project application data. Okay, so I just declare here method, and here I have to declare one similar method. Then we have to come to our project down. Here you can see, and this is the two things I just recently apply here, that is select star from apply job, where cname like this kind of CML parameter, and status is equal to rejected. Here we prove that status is equal to accepted, and here we applied here status is equal to rejected. Similar kind of things we apply here, and similar like that we set and get this all kind of value here and come to the company controller. Then we take this entire thing into one list, and with the help of model map we can easily get that into our one key, and with the help of that key we can show the rejected job application data here. Here you can see this one is the key for rejected project application, and this one is the key for our rejected job application. So our today task is now successfully completed, that is the how we can show accepted as well as the rejected application. So the company gets benefits from that, that is it clearly see that the accepted job application or rejected job application. They can also generate the PDF from here, they can also take a snapshot from here with the accepted candidate, as well as that they can remove their rejected candidate from their database. So these kind of things company can now perform on this company model. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss about accepted as well as the rejected application. So in our upcoming video we will discuss about how company can manage job and project, how they can edit their posted job and project application. So these kind of things we will discuss in our upcoming video. So this is all about today's video. If you didn't watch our previous video, I request you to please watch this video and then come on this video, and I just give you the assurity that you will learn a lot of things from that video. Okay, if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me lots, and thank you so much for watching this video.